I'm Sophie, a geologist and senior data solutions specialist at Seequent, and in this video I will show you how to create a capturing profile for Imago Mobile. You must be an Imago admin for your organization's account to be able to create capturing profiles. In the Imago Portal, navigate to the Capture Profiles tab. To create a new profile, enter the name of your new profile and set the profile type to Imago Mobile. Next, in the General tab, you can add a description for your capturing profile. And the next step is to select which workspaces and datasets the captured images can be uploaded to when the profile is used. You can add as many as required. Under the Advanced section, click on the Users button, then choose which users in your account will have permission to access this capturing profile for when they sign in on their mobile device. In the Capture tab, choose what the camera is set to, i.e. the internal camera on the phone or tablet, which will be activated when the Imago Mobile app is in use. A gallery will prompt the user to select from an existing photo from the photo gallery on the phone or tablet. JPEG quality determines the quality of the image, and the orientation will determine the orientation of the photo. Setting this to default will use the orientation of the phone, whereas landscape or portrait will force the user to orientate the phone or tablet in that orientation when taking the photo in-app. There is the ability to not capture GPS coordinates, otherwise these will be automatically captured, provided the device has this functionality. Interval incrementing can be helpful when capturing blast hole chip piles in open pit, for example. You can choose to increment after taking each photo to have the image count or number of images captured shown, and you can also choose to activate auto incrementing. This means your photos will automatically count up or count down by the desired number of meters or feet that is input in this box here. In the Miscellaneous tab, there are further options to allow collections to be created while the device is offline and to allow the user to download collections to the phone. Provided the device has the functionality and the mobile network coverage, you can also choose to have the photos continuously upload as they're taken, meaning they will appear in the Imago Portal straight away. Or you can choose to let the photos upload over Wi-Fi only. Keep last uploaded count refers to the number of images that will be kept on the device once they've been uploaded to the portal. Finally, in the Workflows tab, select the imagery type from those created in the Data Definitions module, then assign the appropriate image type. You may need to create this first in the imagery type in the Data Definitions module as shown. Once you have completed these steps, you are ready to sign into Imago Mobile on your mobile device and start capturing images.